Good afternoon, everyone. Today we're back on the old Canoe. She's probably about 90% done. I was waiting. I had a break, I guess. Lost my train of thought. We had a couple days break because of a snow event. So now I'm back on the Canoe. I'm trying to get this thing done today, but I'm going to run out of time. I only got about another a half hour, 45 minutes. I can work on this, and I'm going to have to come back tomorrow. So this video is going to end up going till tomorrow. So I got in the mail. Actually, I ordered, it's a Zephyr product, Pro 40. It's aluminum polished and protected. And when I was driving truck, we use this exclusively with steel wool and a drill. And I'm going to show you what we did old school because we couldn't have any cords with us. We were driving truck because we were sitting on the side of the road waiting to get loaded or whatever was going on. So we just sit out there and polish. We always had the gloves with us, always had this with us, and took a drill with me, cordless drill with the wheel I have on there, 2 batteries fully charged, and you get quite a bit done with just that. So I'm going to show you exactly how I used to do it and how it still works. Sometimes it's a little faster, and like this project, it is a little bit faster. So I'm going to put in a little bit of time lapse there for you and get this going.
I don't have a reason
Okay, so after cleaning this all up, after polishing it all up, it's real close to being done. I still have to do one more buff on here because you can see the lines from the wheel, and all I have to do is take it over with that wool bonnet and go over this whole thing. But before I do all of that, now comes the hard part. It's going to be fixing these, trying to get all these dents out of it. Some of these are going to be pretty easy. I'll just build hammer and dolly, but some of the really small ones like this, I'll probably be able to do something with, but not a lot of it, because they're kind of gouged like something sharp hit or whatever. So it's going to take a little bit yet. You can see the haze in that yet, and you can also see the streaks from the cleaner that I used. So this has still got to be wheeled out some more, so I'm going to use the Zephyr 40 polishing compound there and go over it with that wheel I have, which that wheel works out pretty good at taking that putting that initial shine on it and then taking that protective surface off, and it did a really good job with that. This is the wheel I'm using. All it is a smaller wheel of these. Put it on a drill there, and I just once you get it wet with that polish, it looks like a, I don't know, it's just a real fast cutting wheel is how it works out. It works out well. So this the dents on this should only take me probably spend about 2 hours on it, 3 hours, something like that. It's not gonna, I'm not gonna spend a whole lot of time on it because there's other things I do have to do with it. One of the sides has got a ripple, and I'm gonna try and fix that. Seat's got to be riveted down because it's broke loose from somebody hit it or backed into it or something happened to it or fell off the truck. Who knows? But there's yeah, I washed the boat up, washed the floor up, went, took a shower, and yeah, because I was black. This face was just horrible this time. But because I was sweating and I kept going like this, so I had black. I should have taken a close up. I had black all across here and all over here. It was it was horrible looking. I should have just got a video of that. Oh well. And thinking about it till just now. So that's going to be it for me for today. This is going to be part number 2 of this series. The next video up is going to be me taking the dents out. And then after that, it will be putting the finished polish on it, which I'm only going to hit the sides. I'm not going to go, the canoe's not going to be upside down anymore because I'm not really concerned about the bottom. The bottom's shiny enough, and you're only going to see the side. And I just want this looking really, really sharp, I guess, really better than it is, I guess, something like that, I don't know. But anyhow, thank you for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, click the notification bell to be notified when the next video is released. Everybody have a good evening, and we will see you on the next one.